I recently purchased the Nextech Connect Plus digital fitness watch, and today I'm going to unbox the first look of the same. This digital watch is so cool that you do not have to connect it, especially with the Bluetooth. It connects automatically. But what I found unique about the Nextech fitness watch was that it has Find Phone alert. For people especially like me, this watch buzzes if I leave my phone behind anywhere. Also, the watch has a caller ID function through which I know who is calling on my mobile even if the phone is on silent mode. It is also water resistant and fashionable. According to the new generation, is so very cool for gym and outdoor activity. The features of the fitness watch. So here we have date and time, call notifications, Find Phone alert, water resistant like I mentioned earlier, step pedometer, sleep monitor, calories burned, distance and alarm. The capacity of the rechargeable battery is 55 mAh. It takes less than 2 hours to charge the watch and standby time is a whopping 7 days. Now that's interesting. Now let's unbox. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so here we are. This is the digital fitness watch, of course. Now that's the extra changeable hand strap. We also have a micro USB cable for charging and one user manual for better instructions. Best part about the watch is that you do not have to purchase an extra charger, but it can be charged through your mobile phone USB charger as well. Please note, for charging the digital watch, you must remove the dial from the host. So here we are. Here, this is how you charge. Also, you need to get to the App Store and download the VeryFit 2.0 app as soon as possible. So here is my app. Like you guys can see, 4.97 kilometers like it's here, and also 436 calories. Okay guys, let's get started and enjoy the fitness journey with Nextech digital watch. Finally, as you can see that the Nextech digital watch is showing the caller ID function. Now go and grab your Nextech digital fitness watch and enjoy the experience. Bye guys!